Good morning, good morning. Yan. Okay ba yung audio ko, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wow, very attentive yung mga estudyante ko ngayon ah. Anyway, teka. Buti nagbasa kayo ng email, kakapost ko lang. So, subject. Check ko muna yung attendance sa access. So, P222 engineering students. Yan. Kala nyo si Ma'am Quaresma. Attendance. Recorded ba? Recording na. Anyway. P. Yun. So, today is February 9. Mag-attendance ako mamaya. Saan to? Human computer. Hindi. So, P22. Ito. Software design. Admit. Uy, meron pang kuan. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, software design. So, check ko lang yung previous na Google Classroom ko for the software design. Or baka meron ako dito. Software design. Software ito. Ay, software development. Hindi. Software design. Software development ata ito eh. P326. Hindi software development. Hindi yan. Development to eh. P222. Bakit wala akong P22? Archive. P22. Okay. Ayun. So, object-oriented. P121 is object-oriented. And then P222 is server nun pa to. Wait, back. Gusto ko yung group 1. Si Sir Carl. Si Sir Carl pala ang nagkuhan nun. Ang nagturo. Okay. Ay, sorry, hindi pala naka-share yung window ko. Wait lang. Okay. Hindi, platform-based mobile, no. Wait. Sorry. Saan yan? P222. Group 2 ito. So, ito na. Okay, restore ko lang. Si Sir Vernon pala ang dating software design. Okay, so by the way class, in your previous subject, may nagturo na ba ng HTML and CSS cascading style?
Sir, wala pa po.
Okay, so let me check. Object-oriented. Ah, pero tapos yun yung object-oriented. Java?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. Last sem, tama ba? No.
Nung first year, second sem po.
First year, second sem. Object-oriented. And then last sem, ano yung programming language last sem?
Yung DSA po.
Okay. So, tama. Okay, so tama to. Kala ko kasi ano eh. So, okay. P22 second year. Okay. Tama. Second year. So, magwe-web nga naman talaga kayo. Ito na tayo doon. Ito siya. Ay. So, CSS and HTML and CSS. So, those will be our topic for the whole sem. Paano din lang to? Hanapin ko na lang yung maayos na module ko. Anyway, ito na lang web. Okay, so our topic for the whole sem is HTML and cascading style. By the way, class, HTML is not a programming language, Hindi siya programming language. Markup language. And then the CSS, cascading style for the design. And then also, the JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. So, ito yung programming language natin for this subject. And you will create a responsive web. Okay? Web design. And then introduction about the internet and the web. And we have the prelim, midterm, and final. So those will be our topics for the whole semester. By the way, class, you will be creating your own website. So hopefully, meron na tayong mahanap na free websites. Free web hosting so that you can create your own website. So your final project will be a website. Okay? And then take note that the final project or your output is very important in this subject. So if in case na you fail to submit the final project, which is your website, then definitely I cannot give you your grade. Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng grado kapag wala yung final project ninyo. Okay? Yan. And then, yun lang naman. It's more on creating your own website or web page. Do you have any knowledge in creating web page or website? May knowledge na kayo kung paano mag-create using HTML and CSS? Wala pa? Okay. So, kung wala pa, ito na tayo. By the way, class, yung... Yes. Ian. Any question?
Napindot lang, sir.
Ayun. I think tinuro na to sa ano eh. Sa mga high school. Anyway. punta muna tayo sa schedule natin. So, for the schedule, because online tayo, so I'll be meeting you 2 hours a week. So, from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Actually, substitution lang naman ako. So, hindi ko alam kung ako talaga yung magtuturo na all throughout ng semester. Yun, substitution pa lang ako ngayon. So, if in case na may mahanap silang ibang instructor, then ibibigay ko na sa kanya yung subject na to. But if in case na wala, baka mapunta sa akin. So, this will be our topic. And nasabi ko naman na yung yung final output natin, yung project natin. Maraming, hindi naman marami. May mga bumabagsak na mga estudyante because they failed to submit the final project sa akin. Kasi very important yun sa akin yung final project. Okay, again, our schedule is for the synchronous class is from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So, schedule. Nalilito na ako sa sobrang dami ng and schedule for synchronous class ano to, from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock Wednesday and Thursday. (11 to 12). So 11 o'clock AM to 12 o'clock every Thursday. Yan. 11 to 12. From 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Tama. Wednesday and Thursday. So, pupos ko na. Okay. Yan. So, attendance muna tayo. Abubo. Warren.
Sure, present po.
Adviento.
Present, sir.
Agpasa.
Present, sir.
Aguilar.
Present, sir.
Baladad.
Present, sir.
Balagot.
Present, sir.
Baltasar. Baltasar, wala pa. Kakdak.
Present, sir.
Kampit.
Present, sir.
Karyon.
Present, sir.
Diaz.
Present, sir.
El Sayed Ahmed.
Present, sir.
You're a foreigner, right?
Half lang po.
Okay. So, half. Do you understand Filipino language?
I do naman, sir. I can speak Ilocano rin po.
Okay. Kala ko kwan kasi nagtatagalog ako kanina. Okay, good. Erpelo.
Present, sir.
Erpelo. Present. El Sayed. Present. Fernando. Galanto. Guzman. Martinez. Nisperos. Pasca.
Present, sir.
Pascual. Pascual. Perez.
Present, sir.
Segundo.
Present, sir.
Soriano.
Present, sir.
Subala. Subala.
Present, sir.
Ayun. Vergara.
Sir, present.
Hmm.
Present, sir.
Present Vergara. Ayang-ang.
Present, sir.
Barcelona.
Present, sir.
Kabilan. Kabilan. Carino.
Present, sir.
Gapasin.
Present, sir.
Huligangan. Huligangan. Ano to? Harulina? Halorina.
Present, sir. Halyurina po, sir.
Harulina. Okay. Sotelo.
Present, sir.
Subala. Subala wala pa. Kabilan. Ito. Glenn May. Bakit wala kang audio? Kabilan. Okay. Popos ko na yung kwan. So, week 1 natin. Our references. So, reference muna. And then, I'll be discussing this one next meeting. HTML tutorial. W3 School and Tutorials Point. Yan. And then W3 Schools. Week 1. Okay. Muna. For the reference, I have this one, w3schools.com and then the tutorialspoint.com. Ito yung ginagamit ko mostly for my discussion. Yan. Okay. Then, if you want, did you try Sublime? Na-try nyo na mag-Sublime? Yes. Magandang Sublime. And so, if you want, you can also download this one. So, Sublime is a text editor. Para siyang Notepad, but much better than Notepad. Yan. Okay, so again, our synchronous class is from 11 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock every Wednesday and Thursday. So, any question, clarification? Wala pa?
Sir.
None so far. Okay, so if in case that you don't have any question, I'll be starting our lectures by next meeting, by tomorrow. Uy, meron pa. Pascual. Pascual. Pascual?
Present, sir.
Yun. Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Sir, late enroll po ako.
Okay. Hindi, okay lang kasi kakagawa ko lang ng ng Google Classroom natin. Anyway, like I said, I'm just only a sub for the meantime, so I don't know kung mapupunta talaga sa akin yung subject na to. So, but if in case na mapunta sa akin, sinabi ko na one of my requirement to pass this subject is the final project. Okay?
Okay po, sir.
Yun yung pinaka-importante. Yun lang.